Ever thought about how you can bring the magic of a lush garden into your living room, balcony, or office space? Have you considered creating a vertical wall garden? These green walls not only save space but enhance aesthetics and improve air quality. Creating a vertical wall garden may seem complex, but with the right steps, it's a breeze. First things first, gather all the necessary materials. You'll need a sturdy frame to support your garden, waterproof plastic for protection, plant-friendly fabric to hold your greenery, and of course, your selection of plants. Once you have all your materials ready, you're set to start creating your vertical wall garden. Now, it's time to get your hands dirty and start building your vertical wall garden. The first step is to prepare your frame. You can use a wooden or metal frame, but make sure it's sturdy enough to hold the weight of the plants. Once your frame is ready, it's time to attach a plastic sheet. This acts as a barrier to prevent water from reaching the wall. Next, add a layer of fabric. This will hold the soil and allow for proper water drainage. Now comes the fun part, planting. Choose plants that are suitable for a vertical garden, like succulents or ferns. The final step is maintenance. Water your garden regularly and make sure it gets plenty of sunlight. Regularly check for pests and diseases, and prune your plants when necessary. And there you have it, your very own vertical wall garden. Isn't it a sight to behold? Creating a vertical wall garden is a rewarding experience, don't you agree? We've learned how to transform a plain wall into a lush green paradise. Remember, it's not just about aesthetics, it's about improving air quality too. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!